Hey there! Tired of noise sneaking through your door? Today, I'll show you 3 simple, effective ways to soundproof a door. First up, weather stripping. Grab some adhesive foam or rubber strips from any hardware store. Clean your door frame, then stick the strips along the edges where the door meets the frame. This seals gaps and blocks sound leaks. Next, install a door sweep. It's a strip that attaches to the bottom of your door to close that pesky gap. Just measure, cut, and screw or stick it on. Reduces noise coming in. Finally, try soundproofing panels or a heavy blanket. Hang a thick curtain or attach acoustic panels to the door's surface. They absorb sound waves, especially for louder noises like music or chatter. For best results, combine these methods. Check for gaps, use quality materials, and ensure a tight fit. These fixes are affordable and DIY friendly, so you can enjoy a quieter space in no time. Want a quieter space fast? Check out ArrowZoom's door kits at arrowzoom.com and start soundproofing today. Peace is just a click away. Subscribe for more home hacks and stay quiet out there.